Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Githeri's kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make githeri, Kenyan Githeri. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe we'll start by heating 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then we're going to fry in onions, red onions. I've used one medium sized red onion. After that you're going to add in some tomatoes. I've used one tomato. You're going to fry that for about 1 minute or until the tomatoes are tender. When the tomatoes are well cooked, you're going to give it a stir to check if they are cooked. Then I'm going to add in some bell pepper. I've used a half bell pepper. You're going to chop it in small pieces as shown in this video. You're going to fry that for about 30 seconds to 50 seconds. Then I'm going to add in chopped carrots. You're going to saute that for a while. Then after that you're going to add in some salt to taste, give it a stir so that it can be well combined with the tomato stew. After that we're going to add in our boiled beans and maize, which is githeri, boiled githeri. We're going to pour it on the tomato sauce and give it a good stir. You'll then add some little water so that you can make the githeri simmer, so that you can acquire the flavors of tomatoes. Then we're going to give it a stir as shown in this video. You can also add spices of your choice. I didn't choose to add any spices for my githeri, but you can add as much spices as you wish on your githeri. So let the githeri simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see from this video, our githeri is coming on well. It looks so delicious already. So you're going to give it a stir so that the flavors can soak in well. Then lastly, you're going to add some fresh coriander leaves for garnishing. You're going to give it a stir and let it cook for about 2 to 5 minutes. Then your githeri will be ready to be served. Guys, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. Then our githeri is almost ready, so you're going to remove it from the heat and start serving our very delicious githeri. As you can see from the videos, our githeri turned out so well. It looks so delicious. You can take githeri for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and share with others. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.